the first one, what is the simplest form of the ratio of 54 meters to 72 meters? So how to do this one is you divide both by their greatest common divisor. So GCD equals 18. So that divides evenly. So you'd start with, so 54 divided by 72, that's what you start with, equals 54 divided by 18 divided by 72 divided by 18. And that divides evenly, so it's 3 divided by 4 here. So that's how you do that there. Yeah, so that's how you do that there. And then the next one here, a team earned $10,500 and their shares are in the ratio 7-4. What is the smallest share? So here, total parts equals 7 plus 4 equals 11. Smallest share is the equals 4. So the 4 here divided by 11 times 10,500, and you get $3,000. So that's how you do that one. And then the next one, there's two ways to get the next one, because next one is just the other side of this. So this is one way to do it. So a team earned $10,500 and their shares in the ratio of 7-4. What is the largest share? So what you can do is you do largest share equals 7 here, divided by the 11 right here, times 10,500 equals 7,500. Also, what you could do is you could take this 3,000 here from the last question. You do 10,500 minus 3,000, and then you get 7,500. So that would also be a way to do it. So there's two ways to do it here to get the right answer. So that's how you do that one. And then a warehouse charges $80 for every 1,000 kilograms of products stored. What is the rate of storage fee in dollars per kilogram? So here you put this in here. $80 per kilogram, $80 per 1,000 kilograms. 80 divided by 1,000 equals $0.08 per kilogram. So you just divide the dollars by the amount of kilograms. You get $0.08 per kilogram. And the next one is an assembly line produced 180 engines and 15 were defective. This rate remains constant. How many of the 5,000 engines produced next month are expected to be defective? So given 15 defective out of 180, defective rate equals 15 divided by 180. Expected from 5,000, you take the defective rate of 15 divided by 180. So times the engines. So defective rate times number of engines equals expected defective engines. So that's how you do that one. So defective rate is 15 over 180 times 5,000 engines equals 417. So that's how you do that. And then the next one is simplify the ratio of 24 minutes to 36 minutes. So how you do that one here is you do GCD of 24 and 36 is 12. So here you start with 24 over 36 equals 24 divided by 12 divided by 36 divided by 12. And then 24 divided by 12 is 2. 36 over 12 is 3. So it'd be 2 over 3, 2 to 3. So that's how you do that one. And then the next one is here, the company earned $15,600 and their shares divided in the ratio of 9-5. What is the amount of the smallest share? So how to do this one? Here, total parts equals 9 plus 5 equals 14. So you add up the 9 and 5 here. Smallest share equals bracket 5 divided by 14 times the $15,600. Just change this to dollars here. So here it would be 5,571.43 is the smallest share. And a factory produces 1,500 units of product and 75 units are defective. How many of the 4,800 units produced next month would likely be defective? So given 75 defective out of 1,500, defective rate is 75 divided by 1,500. expected. So expected, how to do expected? You do defective rate times units of the product equals expected defective engines. So that's how you do that. So it'd be 75 divided by 1500 times 4,800 equals 240. So that's how you would get that there. And then the expressed in simplest form, the ratio of 45 seconds divided by 60 seconds. So how to do this one? You would find the GCD. So GCD is 15. So it'll divide evenly like that. So here 45 divided by 60 equals 45 divided by 15 divided by 60 divided by 15. 45 divided by 15 is 3. 60 divided by 15 is 4, so 3 over 4. So you do that. And then a couple earns $6,400 and the earnings are split in the ratio of 2 to 3. What is the larger share? So how to do this one is you would take this here, 2 plus 3 equals 5. So the 2 to 3, add them together. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Larger share, you take the 3, that's larger than 2. 3 divided by 5 times 6,400 equals 3,840. So that's how you do that one.